We'll guide you through how to add blur in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is ready, go to the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Now, locate the clip on your timeline where you want to add blur. Click on the clip to select it. Now, head over to the top right corner and click on the Effects library. In the Effects library, find Open Effects and click on it to reveal a list of available effects. Scroll down until you see the Blur category. You'll notice different types of blur effects such as Gaussian blur, lens blur, and radial blur. Choose the one that best fits your needs by simply dragging it onto your selected clip on the timeline. Once applied, go to the Inspector panel on the top right side. If you don't see it, make sure to click on the Inspector button to open it. In the Inspector panel, you can now adjust the blur settings. You'll see different parameters like strength, softness, and more, allowing you to fine-tune how the blur looks. Just slide the bars or input numbers to get the desired effect. You can also keyframe these settings if you want the blur to change over time. That's all there is to it. Adding blur can really help in drawing focus or creating a specific mood. And now you know how to do it in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.